here in Cologne, as you can see. We got here at around 8 a.m. And we stopped to get breakfast, and now we are just traveling around the city, looking at the sights, and it's been pretty good so far. It looks like it's gonna rain, so that might be a problem, but hopefully everything's gonna be fine and it's not gonna rain. Basically, we were talking, and what this is basically like a series of shopping, like a shopping center type thing that was created with the whole purpose of tourists coming and like they get off their cruises and they come here and they shop and then just go back to their cruises, maybe like look at the city, etc, etc. Sadly, everything is closed because it's really early in the morning, and also like the place in itself has fallen into disrepair. And we're heading towards we're headed towards the Washington Hotel, which was the first hotel here in Cologne.
Yes.
And back in its like heyday when the city was first built in the 19th century. Thank you, Mom. It used to be like this hub for like parties and all these grand social events, and it's like a memory from the past of like when the city was in this golden age, and
it was originally the house of the administrators of the railroad here, and back in like 1850-55, and then after that it was rebuilt, and now they are trying to fix it again so it will, you know, get much better for tourism.
Yes. My mom is a much better vlogger than I am, and she's doing a fantastic job.
Right.
So we're gonna head inside, and I've been here before and it's like really pretty. So yeah, that's gonna be really cool. Yes. Yes.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so good that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going though? How's it, Mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Right now we are at the Fuerte San Lorenzo, which is one of the old Spanish colonial forts. As you can see, like, the ocean is right behind me, and this place is absolutely gorgeous. I've been here before, only once, and I came the summer before my freshman year of college, and it's kind of crazy how this has all come full circle, because I never expected I'd see this place again, and now I'm just here, which is absolutely insane.